Now, let's discuss about vector function. If to each point P with the coordinates x, y, z or the position vector r bar such that r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar in any region R in the space, there corresponds a definite vector defined by f bar with respect to variables x, y, z, then that f bar is known as vector point function and the region R is known as vector field. So in general, vector point function basically depends upon two components. First one is the variable set x, y, z, and second one the set of rules defined by a vector. So a vector such that the some rules say f1, f2 and f3 are applied corresponding to the position in the Cartesian coordinate system, that is f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. So with respect to these two conditions, a vector function f bar depends upon the variable set as well as the rules defined with respect to each coordinate axis. Therefore, we can generalize a vector function f bar of xyz can be defined as f bar of xyz is equal to f1 of xyz along x-axis plus f2 with respect to variables xyz along y-axis and f3 with respect to variables xyz along z-axis. So this will constitute a vector function f bar with respect to variables x, y and z. To imagine vector examples on vector function, we can consider velocity function in a moving fluid. So to demonstrate this, let's consider suppose this is a bank of river and we consider water is moving in this direction. So since we know that the flow of water is more along the central stream, whereas the flow of water is slower towards the bank of river, means if you consider a standard position or the mean position and we observe the points P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 at any particular time, as time increases the object will move in this direction and these will be slower. And if you observe the path of the movement of the particles along the stream, so the path is parabolic. If we observe the movement of the particles depending upon their distance from the bank, the particle flow will be slower towards the bank and it will move faster along the main stream. So value of the velocity, it depends upon the position of that object as well as the velocity of the moving fluid. Same is the case with, we can imagine value of magnetic field in the presence of two stronger magnets. So as the distance between the two magnets changes, the value of magnetic force will change. Same is the case with electromagnetic fields.